As a restaurant owner and operator, I have this unique position to be able to produce large amounts of food in my commercial kitchen, and I really wanted to do something extra special for the people who need it the most. People without homes and people that are hungry. There's nothing more basic and humanitarian than giving someone a hot meal. But I couldn't do it alone, so I asked my best friend Justin Romine if he would come down and help me out. In addition to feeding everyone, I also wanted to shed light on the situation that was happening. And I knew that with his video skills and my video skills and our storytelling, that we could bring awareness.
I'm down here gonna feed some homeless today, dude. You wanna go help me out, man?
Yeah, I was just getting some B-roll and a little...
Our first attempt at offering a free hot meal was a complete failure. How do you approach someone and say, like, you're homeless, I wanna help you? Like, it's kind of degrading. He's like, help me how? And I'm like, oh, just giving a meal away. If you're hungry, something to eat, something to drink. I don't know, he was very like, I don't know what the word to use is, but embarrassed, maybe?
He wasn't even really sure how to respond.
Instead of like getting out of the car, we are going to put some meals in the front seat and just hand them out to people. How you been today, man?
I asked myself, who am I to judge these people? We have never walked in their shoes or faced the demons that they face.
Oh man, it's tasting great.
Just blessed to just to see another day, and thank y'all for coming out for doing this for us.
Imagine if society stood up in one voice and said enough. We will not let these people suffer any longer. I know that one small meal from a small Greek restaurant located in a suburb of Dallas will not cure the world of sorrow, but maybe it will give them a moment of hope, or just quiet the rumblings in their stomach.
Thank you. Oh, my pleasure.
Now you want my girlfriend?
Of course you can. How about that? There you go, my man. What's your name, my man?
Jeremy.
Jeremy? You want some silverware too, Jeremy?
Yeah.
I got some water too, Jeremy. I got some water over there too. Hey, how are you, my man? Some food there for you.
This Thanksgiving, I want you to pause just a little longer and look at the amazing fortune that surrounds you. And I want you to give thanks for all that you have, because somewhere, someone is going to bed homeless and hungry tonight.